Hello, hello everybody. How are you all? I think hope you are all fine by God grace. Yes, in last class we are learning about tally prime. Now today we are going to learn different types of vouchers there in a tally prime. Yes, accounting vouchers. First one is accounting vouchers. Voucher type is contra voucher. You have to press if you wanted to operate this one, then you have to press F4 key, function key, F4 key you have to press. That function is cash bar bank to bank cash transactions. It is used for the cash bank to bank or cash transactions. We will learn in detail, but we will first look into overall voucher types. Payment is used for recording cash or bank payments. You have to press F5 for it. Receipt voucher, yep, you have to press F6 for receipt voucher. Recording cash or bank receipts. Journal voucher, F7. Adjustment, non-cash and provisioning, you have to press F7. Sales voucher, F8. Recording a sales transactions. Purchase, F9. Recording purchase transactions. Credit note, sales return or post sale discounts. Credit note is used for sales return or post sale discounts. Debit note is used for the purchase return or purchase adjustments. Next, coming to inventory vouchers. First one is accounting vouchers. Next, coming to inventory vouchers. Delivery note, delivery of goods before sales invoice. If you are doing a business, first we will send delivery note. That is, it is a delivery of goods before sales invoice. We are not going to first send invoice, but we are selling delivery note. Then receipt note, receipt of goods before purchase invoice. Rejection, in goods returned by customer. If customer returns any goods for purpose of defective or some other reason, then it comes into rejection in. Rejection out, goods returned to supplier. Next, stock journal, internal stock transfer or adjustment. Stock journal is used for the internal stock transfer or adjustment. Physical stock, stock verification and count entry. Optional types for supporting vouchers. Memorandum voucher, temporary or reminder entries. Optional voucher, draft entries for review or approval. Post-dated voucher, entries effective from future date. Payroll voucher, employees salary processing. Sales order, order received from customer. Purchase order, order placed to supplier. These are the main vouchers available in Tally Prime. Next, in the next class, coming class, we will learn what is contra voucher, what is a payment voucher, how to make entry, what is receipt voucher, what is journal entry, what is sales, what is purchase, what is credit note, what is debit note. We will see one by making entry with examples. Thank you one and all for this session. Thank you one and all.